where it counts. Two-headed chihuahua. A masked rooster. Ron Jeremy's the Superman. Princess Doodly 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 Sprinkle Dust. Amanda Tank. Stegosaurus, whatever that guy is up there with the hippie on board. And then the universe. It's all of you, universal strength. Who wants to be the first contestant tonight on this shot? No. Let's get it for the man. Let's give it a shot. That's your strength there, mister. No, come on. You gotta lift it up. Don't try this at all, neither. This right here. To show the knife side was putting the poke on his console. Okay, here he goes. He's going to give it a shot. Don't be too shy. You didn't even get the two-headed dog. You didn't even get this one. No. Maybe you can get it up to cop speed or something. Let's try one more turn, you. Hey. Oh, hey. I got that. Okay, you try one more turn. Okay, everybody count. Okay, ready? Okay, I'm gonna hear it for the crowd tonight. Okay, we're gonna have it like a one. Okay, ready? He's gonna recycle. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's not the strength is showing weak. Hey, Marcus is going to give it a shot. Now, don't be shy about this, people. Anybody can do this. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Down it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. wearing a big shirt. Try that one, Momo.
Yeah!
Okay. There you go.
And he's a ham.